In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your captivating 3D scenes into a web page using Spline. We'll walk through the process, from designing your scene all the way to publishing it for the world to see. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to have your completed 3D scene ready in Spline. Once you're satisfied with your design and feel it's ready to make its debut, click on the Export option. This will open the export menu, and from here, you can customize various settings to fine-tune how your scene will be presented. For example, you might want to adjust the play options, ensuring that your scene looks perfect and functions smoothly when viewed on different web platforms. With the settings adjusted to your satisfaction, the next step is to copy the embed code. Simply click on the embed option. This will copy the embed code snippet needed to showcase your scene. Keep this code handy, as you'll be using it shortly. Now, transitioning to your web page, it's time to add an element that will house this 3D scene. In the left toolbar, look for the plus icon labeled Add Elements, and give that a click. From here, navigate to the Embed and Social menu and select Embed Code. This process will add an iframe element to your canvas. Upon selecting the plus icon next to either Embed Code or Embed HTML, an iframe element will automatically appear on your web page canvas. This iframe is essentially a placeholder that will display your 3D scene exactly as you designed it in Spline. Moving forward, click to select this new iframe element. A floating toolbar will appear, and you will want to focus on the Enter Code option. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and paste the embed code you copied earlier from Spline into the designated input field. After pasting, don't forget to click Apply or Update to ensure your code is properly implemented. The final steps involve polishing off the aesthetics of how your scene is presented. Take a moment to adjust the size and position of this iframe on your page. Ensuring that your scene is visually appealing is crucial before presenting it in a public setting. Make any necessary adjustments until you're perfectly satisfied with its look and feel. Once you're confident with the placement and appearance, the thrilling moment arrives to publish your work. Click on Publish, and your 3D scene will be live on your webpage, ready to impress viewers. And there you have it. You've not only learned how to create an engaging 3D scene in Spline, but also how to effectively embed it into a website. Keep experimenting and happy creating.